Hey everyone, it's Matt with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and I am here to show you how to pair either a new case with existing earbuds that you have, or one earbud into a case that maybe you lost one of your earbuds and there's already an earbud in here and you just need to pair in a new one. You do need to make sure that when you order earbuds, these are the AirPods Pro, and all the generations of them look fairly similar. And so you want to make sure that if you have AirPods Pro 1 or 2, that you buy the appropriate earbud that goes with them. You want to make sure that the charging case is charged before you try to connect earbuds into it. And then if you are having any issues with connecting to earbuds, you want to make sure that you leave them in the case with it plugged in for about 20 minutes, just to make sure that they're charged as well. And you just want to make sure that they're seated properly, and then you should see that white light flash on the case. So we'll go ahead and open the case back up, and then we're going to hold the button on the back of the earbuds until we see a white light start flashing. All right, so in this instance, we've held this button down for a while, and it didn't work at first, so I just tried opening and closing the lid, and then now I'm holding the button down. So you just want to try and hold the button down for about 30 seconds with the lid open, which is what you're supposed to do. If then that doesn't work, try just closing the lid and then holding the button down again for a few seconds, then opening the lid, and just see what combination works for you. It's not always necessarily going to be quite the exact same process, and don't give up just because the light doesn't show up immediately. And you should see on your phone that there are AirPods Pro waiting to connect, and then you can just go through the connection process with them. But now these AirPods are connected to your phone, so you can see all the battery percentage, etc. If you are experiencing issues beyond this, where one is still not putting sound out or something like that, you can go ahead and unplug the earbuds, and then you can go ahead and close the case for about 30 seconds. And then go ahead and reopen the case, and then put the earbuds in your ears and whatnot. And if that doesn't fix the problem, then go ahead and just hold the button on the back down for about 30 seconds to reset them. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We do sell these earbuds on our website as well as on eBay if you're looking to purchase them. They're a bit cheaper on our website though, so head over there if you're looking to replace an earbud or a charging case. Thanks for watching.
If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.